Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord overlay not working in games step by step so you can chat and game smoothly in 2026. First, make sure the Discord overlay is enabled globally. Open Discord, go to User Settings, then Game Overlay, and toggle Enable In-Game Overlay on. Many times the overlay simply isn't turned on. Next, check if the overlay is enabled for your specific game. Go to Registered Games in User Settings, find your game in the list, and make sure the overlay toggle next to it is turned on. If your game isn't listed, launch the game once and add it manually. Now try running Discord as administrator. Right-click the Discord shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Permission issues are one of the most common reasons the overlay fails to appear. Another important fix is disabling hardware acceleration. Go to Advanced Settings and toggle hardware acceleration off, then restart Discord. This often resolves overlay conflicts with certain GPUs. You should also check for overlay conflicts. Close other overlay apps like NVIDIA GeForce Experience, Xbox Game Bar, or third-party FPS counters. Multiple overlays running together can block Discord's overlay. If the overlay still doesn't work, update your graphics drivers and make sure Discord is fully updated. Outdated drivers frequently cause in-game overlay problems. Finally, restart your PC and test the overlay in your game again. In most cases, it should now appear correctly. If this guide helped you fix the Discord overlay, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming and Discord fixes in 2026.